Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks that you can trade on Monday, 15th March 2021. So this analysis is for Monday only. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with the analysis and stocks for 16th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So the first stock for the day is AAL, Anglo American. So you can see that Anglo American has closed at 3017 uh, on the Friday. And so what should be a strategy for today? Our strategy for today is simple. Okay, we can see that AAL or Anglo American is trading above the daily support, which is at 2948, and it is trading quite comfortably above the daily support. So as a result, we will only look for buying opportunities above 3032. So if we get the stock above this level, 3032 level, it's a buy. Okay, and our target will be this 3086. Okay. So if we get the stock above 3032 level, and if we see that the stock is trading comfortably, okay, then it's a buy call for a target of 3086. And the next stock for the day is Glencore. Okay, for Glencore you can see that the LTP or the last traded price is 290.25, and it is also trading above the daily support level quite comfortably. That's a good sign. So what should be the strategy then? Strategy is simple. We will be looking for buying opportunities, okay, above this line 290.65. So this is the level that we need to look for, 290.65. Okay, so if you get the stock above 290.65 level, it's a buy. In case there is a gap up open, then wait for 15-30 minutes. Let the stock feel comfortable. Let the stock comfortably trade for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, if you see that the stock is doing great, go for a buy. Okay, so these are the two stocks. Let's switch to the next stock, and it's Prudential. For Prudential, you can see that it has successfully closed above the daily resistance, which was at 1530 level, and ultimately closed at 1539. Okay. So the last traded price or the current market price is 1539, and as it has closed above the daily resistance level, our strategy will be to grab the stock or buy the stock above the high of 154, sorry, 1540. So this is the price that we need to look for. So if you get the stock, okay, if you get the stock above 1540 level, and in case there is a gap up open, then wait for 15-30 minutes. After 30 minutes also, if the stock is still trading, just try to understand the psychology, and if it looks comfortable enough, then go for it. In case the stock crosses 1540 level during the session, again wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, then only go for a buy. And if you get the stock at 1540 level, then you can buy for a target of 1562. Okay, 1562 will be your target price. So the next stock for the day is BHP. BHP Group. You can see that BHP has formed a hammer or a doji kind of a pattern. Okay, but we need to look at the price rejection from below. Okay, so this is the main thing that we need to focus on, and therefore we will look for buy opportunity on BHP. The last traded price is 2179. Okay, so we will be looking for buying opportunity above this level, 2185 level. So if we get the stock above 2185 level, and if it favors the trend of the market, then it's a buy above 2185. The next and the last stock is MNDI Mondi. Okay, for Mondi you can see that it has closed at 1846 level on Friday, and it has successfully closed above the daily resistance, which was at 1540 level. Okay, so that's a good sign. So what should be the strategy for the day or for Monday? The strategy is buy above 1850. 1850 was the day's high, previous day's high. So we will be looking for buying opportunity if we get the stock above 1850 level or the previous day's high. Simple. In case there is a gap up open, as I have already mentioned in the previous shares, just wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, then only grab the stock. In case the stock give a breakout during the market session, wait for 15 minutes at least. Let the resistance become the support, then only go for a buy order. Okay, so 1850 is the level that you need to keep your eyes on for MNDI Mondi. Okay, so these are the stocks that you can trade on Monday and make some money. You can also check the my previous videos and check the analysis how it does. Okay, my analysis are till now doing good. People are liking it. They are making money. Hopefully, you will make some money from my analysis on Monday too. So this is it. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Good luck, and see ya on Tuesday.